Well, hello there, peepy weepies. So yes, looking around and much is afoot actually, and I'm getting quite excited of things that I want to do, and I want to purchase another exotic. I have decided, yes, I want to get another exotic plant. So, a few things are going through the old space between the ears here, and several things are indeed floating my boat at the moment, and basically I'm thinking of a persimmon or a satsuma. Now, these are two cool things to grow. I've got videos, or a video, whatever, on growing persimmon, otherwise known as Sharon fruit, here in the UK, excusez-moi. Clearing one's throat out here. Yes, so I've got videos on that if you would like to check them out, but I've never grown a satsuma, so yeah, thinking a lot about this, so that's intriguing. Now, hopefully soon what's coming back, two things, three guesses what they may be, three guesses to guess of two things which may, yes, may be coming back here. So anyway, here we go, pause it now and take your guesses. Welcome back, yes. So, the blood orange, that's hopefully coming back here soon, and the mango as well. So, we'll be going in this polytunnel, hopefully. Well, the mango will be going in here. I might even put the blood orange outside, but who knows. But I want to focus a lot on exotics. So, let me know what you would like to see. Satsuma, or a Sharon fruit, persimmon, or both. And I keep thinking, wouldn't it be nice to grow chocolate as well? But this is another thing. So anyway, let's have a look at the old fruit trees outside, shall we? And you can see what I've been up to, what the trees have been up to. Get off! Flies. Yeah, so things are going to be good. We're going to go outside now. Let's have a look-see. Going to be very peachy in here soon. Peachy, peachy, peachy. Look at this. Isn't this absolutely bud-tastic, bud? Look at them, look, man. Look at that. We're gonna get some plums. We're gonna get some plums. Hopefully get some Jubilee plums on the Jubilee plum tree. Look at that, would be nice. Bought this tree a few years ago, actually, from, there you go, have a look. Pause it. Oh, come into focus. Goodness gracious. Similar in appearance, plus flavour to Victoria, but much larger fruit and slightly earlier. Ready mid-August, self-fertile, pollinates group 3. Unos, dos, tres. Yeah, so anyway, so yes, so you can see blossoms here, and you can see blossoms here, and blossoms, well, not, you know, coming out. Look at the white look. It's not going to be long. It's not going to be long, is it? It's not going to be long. Not going to be long. I think something tells you this tree is going to be a powerhouse of a tree. Something tells me that. You keep going out of focus tonight, don't you? You have to do it. That's better. Yeah, so the older Concord pear, gonna get some pears off of here. Whether I get loads of small ones or a few big ones, who knows? Looking cool, baby. And the old Worcester pearman, a little bit on the, they're a bit on the drag when it comes to blossoming out and leafing out our apple trees, which can be good actually when it comes to you know, a bit of the old frost protection. We'll see. Now, I don't know if I've showed you this one for a while. You've certainly seen this before if you've been watching my videos a while. But this is a tree I grafted myself. I'll just show you. Sorry if the it's getting a bit dark now. It's twilight is upon us. Now, anyway, so the rootstock, just trying to get it so you can see it. Hang on. Oh, it's too late to put the old light on. Anyway, never mind. Yes, here. So the rootstock's down there, and this here is, I believe. See, look, this is what you mustn't do. You must make sure you keep it. You know what it is. Don't do what I've done. I think it's Lord Lambourne. grafted onto here, and all this growth that this has put up looks fantastic. And a few years later I grafted a Winter King onto here, so this has actually got 2 varieties on it. I mean, I can't do it now really because I haven't got any scions cut, but maybe I could even graft another variety onto here, have 3 varieties. But so I'm expecting a bit of a crop off of this tree this year, but it sort of made itself into a cordon, which is good for space savings. I might put it up against you know, a fence or something like that. Look at these, look. Remember them squashes I set a few weeks ago? Look cool. What's this? This stuff. Giant chard, look here. So I've got some giant chard. I'm going to put these out in the polytunnel soon. All the different varieties of squash. I've got the names written down here. Check out that video if you're interested. But gardener's fingernails. Got to sort out these squashes, put them outside, slow the old growth down a bit. Way too early to put them out yet. Might do a bit of protection, because protection can be good in many instances. What have we got down here, look? Oh, this is spinach and stuff like that. Now, that, whatchamacallit, Aztec broccoli, didn't do very well. Something's eaten it. Oh well, Dan will just have to set some more, won't he? Meh.